Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today what we're going to learn is how to make the letter A. So as you can see here, we have 9 columns and 9 rows. So first of all, how do we want to print the A? So in row 0 and column 4, we print 1 star. In row 1, we print nothing. So we can just skip that. In row 2, we print a star at column 3. So at row 2 and column 3, we print star. Row 2, column 5, we print star. Okay? 3 is nothing. We're just skipping the ones that have nothing. How about that? So row 4, we print the stars from range 2 to 7. So means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range, so end value minus 1. So all the stars from 2 to 6 usually. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Row 5, nothing. Row 6, column 1, print star. And same thing. Column 7 at row 6, print star. Okay? That's good. 7 is nothing, absolutely. Row 8, column 0. Okay, print star. Row 8, column 8, print star. So we can do, for that, row 8 and column 8, we can do row equals, column equals 8. We can do that. Okay, so let's get into the code, guys. So, for rows in range 9. So it starts from 0 to 8 then. And then for column in range 9. What we do is if rows equals to 0 and column equals to 4, okay, print star. So we're gonna run the code one by one. Okay. Now, parenthesis and else print space. And you use the end command, okay? And then print new line. So if we run it, and as you can see, it just prints 1 star. Okay? Now, let's go back to the painting. Now, row 1, we print nothing, so we go straight to row 2. Okay? So, if you guys can remember really quick, I'm sure you would already know what you would do. So rows equals to 2 and column equals to 3. And now let's run it to see what happens. And then as you can see, just prints these 2 diagonal lines. And then, or same thing, rows equals to 2 and column equals to 5. Just tell me if I made any error. Okay? Yeah, and then there's just small triangle, but we're not done yet, guys. Okay? Now if we go back to our paint, we're skipping row 3, so it's nothing. We don't need to do anything. We're going to row 4. Instead of just doing column equals to this, rows equals to this, we can just use the range function instead. Okay? So what we can do is this. So if we go back to the paint, so row 4. So what we're gonna do is, okay, our rows equals to 4 and call it column in range. So if we look back, okay? Let's look back at the painting. See, it's from 2 to 6. Means the range would be what? 2 to 7, right? So 2, 7. Let's see if it works. And as you can see, it does. Right? Because this is printing from 2 to 6. Okay? Right, it is. Now, or the same thing, let's go back to the paint. Now, row 6, just jump on row 6. Row 6, do that row equals to whatever, column equals to whatever, and we're almost done this A. It's pretty easy to make an A, okay? All you just have to do is just think about it. Okay? So, our rows equals to 6, and and the column equals to, so if we go back to the paint, and you can see it's 1, so, and column equals to 1, or rows equals to 6, and column equals to what? So let's go back to the paint if you guys don't remember, and it's 7. Simply, we can just say here 7. So 7. Let's run it now. Okay, and it's already A. It's already A, guys, right? If you look carefully, it's already a A. So why couldn't we just do less rows then instead? Or why couldn't we just stop there? Well, let's make a bigger one then. Okay? Or now we're going on to the 8. So rows equals to 8, and column equals to 1. Or, as I told you in the beginning, so rows equals to column equals to what? 8. Means what? Means that rows equal in our eighth row, okay? It will print star at column 1. When the 8th row and column 1, it means the getter print start there. Here you won't understand it, so let me explain. So at the 8th row and 8th column, when they meet together, they print start there. So if we run it, oh yeah, it's just printing that because there's not enough space here, as you can see, guys. Okay, so what I can do here then is, let's say, so here, let's put here 0 and try, because 1 won't work. And yeah, as it is, it prints our A as we wanted, right? So why not we can just write after? Well, we're gonna see that in our next video if you guys want to. So thank everyone for listening about how to make the letter A. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. Just remember it. Just do it on paper. You will easily get it like that. Just do the code. Okay, just draw it, look at the paper, and write the code. It's so easy. Okay, so thank everyone for listening, and bye.